Ladies and gentlemen, prepare yourselves. Tonight, I'm going to harness the power of the elements using these 3 tubes. Yes, that's right. 3 completely normal, everyday, totally magical tubes from your local plumber. This first tube represents the element of air. Light, breezy, and, much like my brain on a Monday morning, completely empty. See? Nothing in here. Next, we have water. Fluid, refreshing, and also completely empty. It's drier than my sense of humor. As dry as a comedian's punchline on a bad night. Drier than a politician's promise. As dry as my bank account after a shopping spree. And finally, fire. Hot, wild, unpredictable, and still absolutely nothing inside. It's like my barbecue skills. Plenty of smoke, not much else. Now, I'm going to nest these elemental tubes together like a magical smoothie of air, water, and fire. If this works, I'll have truly harnessed the power of the elements. Or I'll just have 3 tubes stuck together, which is still pretty impressive if you ask me. All right, let's summon the elements. Air, water, fire, and maybe a little bit of luck because honestly, I'm winging this. Look at that. Silks of air, water, and fire. It's like nature decided to open a fashion line, and people say I'm not in my element. Clearly, they haven't seen this trick.